Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel subscription in Copy.ai 2026. Log into your account and click on your profile icon, then go to Settings and open the Billing or Subscription section. Here, you'll see your current plan details. Simply click on Cancel Subscription and follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Once canceled, your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle, and you won't be charged again after that. Keep in mind that canceling does not automatically give you a refund unless you request it within the allowed refund period, usually around 5 days from purchase. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete account in Copy.ai 2026. First, log into your Copy.ai account using your usual credentials. Make sure you're accessing the correct account, especially if you have more than one. Once you're inside, allow the dashboard to fully load so all options are visible. Next, look toward the top corner of the screen for your profile icon. This could appear as your avatar, initials, or a small icon. Click on it to open the account menu. If you don't see it right away, try adjusting your screen or scrolling slightly. From the menu, scroll down and click on Advanced Settings. This section contains important account and privacy controls. Once it opens, take a moment to review the options so you're familiar with the layout. Now, find the Delete Account option. It's usually placed carefully to avoid accidental clicks, so look closely. When you select it, you'll see a warning explaining that deleting your account is permanent and will remove all your data, including projects and settings. To continue, follow the confirmation steps shown on the screen. You may need to re-enter your password or type a specific word to confirm your decision. Make sure to read everything carefully before proceeding. Once completed, you'll receive a final confirmation that your account has been deleted or scheduled for deletion. You may also be logged out automatically. If you can no longer access your account afterward, it means the process was successful. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to change payment method in Copy.ai. Log into your account and go to your Workspace Settings, then open the Billing or Subscription section. From there, click on Manage Billing, where you can update your payment details such as adding a new card or editing existing information. Once you enter the new payment method, save the changes and it will be used for future billing cycles. If you don't see an option to edit your payment directly, you may need to contact support to update it, especially for certain plans or billing setups. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to upgrade plan in Copy.ai 2026. Log into your account and go to Workspace Settings, then open the Billing or Subscription section. There, you will see your current plan along with available upgrade options. Click on Upgrade or select a higher plan, choose your billing cycle, monthly or yearly, and enter your payment details. Once you confirm the payment, your plan will be upgraded and you will immediately get access to the additional features included in the new plan. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to downgrade plan in Copy.ai 2026, log into your account and go to Workspace Settings, then open the Subscription or Billing section. From there, you can view your current plan and select a lower tier plan or option. Simply choose the plan you want and confirm the change. In most cases, the downgrade will not take effect immediately. It will be applied at the end of your current billing cycle, and any changes will reflect on your next bill. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.